This had 10 layers of white and various colored paints all over the terracotta, but this is the color of the terracotta as it was laid in the 1920s. We are in front of Mule Car Smokehouse, which is inside the historic Bank of Italy building here in Ontario. This was provided by the Historical Society, commemorating the Bank of Italy building, the year it was originally built in 1923. This was the most challenging building that we'd ever worked on. There's probably over 20,000 change orders in this building alone. We felt very fortunate that the city entrusted us with such a jewel, such as Bank of Italy, and we gave them our word that we would complete the project, knowing how difficult it was. We specialize in very difficult development opportunities. The bar actually combines both the Bank of Italy and the Bumstead building. The top is made from wood reclaimed from the Bank of Italy during construction. The I-beam you see holding up the bar top was a header beam from the Bumstead building. So we recovered that, reclaimed it, and used it to build this bar, which combines building products from both buildings. We are now stepping into Bottle Shop, which is entirely inside the Bumstead bicycle building. This table is all reclaimed wood. That entire bar back shelf, the wood, is all 100-year-old rafters from the Bumstead building. What we just walked out of is the speakeasy portion. The entrance is actually where I'm standing now, and to get in, you need to know either the password or the invitation code. And on the second floor of the Bumstead building and part of the second floor of the Bank of Italy building is El Balcon. It is a rooftop lounge specializing in tapas and a very lively bar and lounge atmosphere. And that completes the building. Not only do we want to continue developing in the area, we are continuing to develop in the area. Across the street is our next project, encompassing 3 historic buildings and another building that is going to get an adaptive reuse. Brand Pacific Construction is proud to partner with the City of Ontario.
This evolution will be televised.